Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Hello.
This is case D08392854D, Balle versus Balle. Counsel, if you could state your appearance for the record, please.
Andrew Taylor from Mr. Balle, who's present.
Cynthia Balle.
And you're representing yourself, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Have you both had an opportunity to review the evaluation?
I just looked it over like the last 5 minutes here. Just
Counsel, have you had an opportunity to review it?
I did, Judge.
Do you wish to make any comment regarding the evaluation?
I don't think so. I think it paints a fairly clear picture. We think it's a little bit inaccurate, but it is as it is.
Okay. Ma'am, did you have any comments you wish to make on the regarding the evaluation?
Just pretty much the same thing. There was a few things that were kind of inaccurate in there, but.
Okay. All right. So based on the evaluation, counsel, you wish to make a recommendation?
Judge, I think what I'd like...
Is there any agreement between the parties?
There's not. I think what we need to do is schedule an evidentiary hearing a few months or a month or so out. I know there's a property evaluation that'll take about 3 weeks to do that's in process. And I'd like to work out something, some sort of agreement between the parties, see if we can avoid an evidentiary hearing. But if we could schedule one, that may encourage the parties.
I'm going to schedule you one. In this case, I don't think we can do the custodial issues together with the property issues. I think we got too much going in both of them. So I'm going to give you. How much time do you think you need for custodial evidentiary hearing? Could you do it in a half day, or do you need 2 half days?
Well, it depends on how many witnesses in that case.
You planning on calling Dr. Kathy as a witness?
Yeah, I believe we'd probably call it
2 half days.
2 half days, I'm sure.
June 9th and 10th?
Okay. June 9th and 10th are your trial dates. Both of those dates are from 9 a.m. to noon. Time will be equally divided between the parties. You'll have an equal amount of time to call witnesses, cross-examine witnesses, present evidence and testimony. It's still going to be a fairly tight schedule to adhere to potentially, and so I require certain things be done in advance. For example, on or before June 2nd, a pretrial memorandum needs to be filed by both sides. That pretrial memorandum, and you're going to get this in written form, ma'am, needs to be contain specific proposed orders regarding each and every issue that you intend to use or that you wish the court to address. Also, on or before the 2nd, any and all exhibits that you intend to use or introduce at the time of trial should be exchanged between counsel or the parties, and a courtesy copy provided to the court. Those exhibits should be bound and tabbed and either independently page numbered or bait stamped so we can quickly identify the facts as they come forward in trial. The last day for discovery will be May 26 on the child-related issues. Can we get witness lists filed by March 31st?
Your Honor, if I may, I can't go through a trial. I don't have an attorney. I'm not an attorney. I don't know how to do this, and he didn't pay what he was ordered to. I lost the attorney. There's no way I could do this.
Well, ma'am, you're going to have to do the best you can to comply with. I don't have any problem with you representing yourself. You need to familiarize yourself with the procedural rules and requirements. However, there are places to assist you with that. If you file the appropriate motion requesting fees, or if you contact an attorney, this is a case under Sergeant whereby attorney's fees would be ordered. And give me a date, approximately 30 days later, for trial on the financials.
July 6th, Your Honor.
July 6th will be your trial on the financials, non-jury trial for the divorce. Same scheduling order will proceed 1 week prior. That's June 29th. Pretrial memorandums, specific proposed orders regarding each and every issue, and exhibits will be due. The cutoff for discovery on the financial issues will be June 22nd. And we'll give you witnesses. You can have until April 27th.
I can say something else. This is just another stall tactic to get me to give in to what he wants. He knows
Well, this isn't a stall tactic, man. This is the process that we have, and this is the procedure. I set the matters for trial, and we'll proceed to trial at that time. I don't know.
I have no legal representation and no
Nope.
funds to get a lawyer. I tried to file an order to get him to pay what he owed so I could keep Mr. Mullins, and that didn't happen. And there's no way I can afford it, and I can't pay for it.
Well, ma'am, I don't know how many attorneys you've talked to, but you let him know this is a divorce case in front of Judge Potter, and he's told you it's a sergeant case, and that fees will be awarded, and I'm sure you'll be able to find somebody that's willing to take the case. All right, that's the order, and I could schedule you in front of a settlement judge, but I don't think at this point in time it'd do any good. I don't think it would do any good at all.
I will be meeting with the parties. I'll see if I can work out a resolution
All
before
right.
that date.
All right, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.